Hey guys, I'm Mark Disher.
And I'm Lisa Dame.
We're from Cleer Vision, and today we're in a 2022 Valor, and we're going to show you how to replace the horizontal track on this Cleer Vision window. I want you guys to know that the procedure to replace the bottom and the top is the exact same, but today we're going to show you how to do the bottom.
All right, so first step is we're going to open up this window right here. We're going to try to pop out the screen. There you go, just like that. Put this right here. And now for the track. This part's it's gonna be a little bit difficult, don't be scared. All you're gonna do is pop this track out, pull it out. Just like that.
You need it to be the size from right at the edge of the radius to the other edge of the radius. There's actually a stopper right here that you can see that'll show you this is where it stops the glass from sliding all the way back. You don't need your track going past that point.
Now you're gonna be able to tell which side has to go in just based on these drain holes. These drain holes actually have to go inside of the frame. So once you cut off and measure your track, the one that Cleer Vision gave you, all you're gonna do is put it back right here. You're gonna lift up the window a little bit and just slide it on in like that. Now, if you had to take off the seal a little bit, that's completely okay. And make sure that you just don't take it off all the way in the corner. Now, there's a stopper right here to show you where it's gonna hit. Once that hits, all you gotta do, press it down. Just like that, make sure it's secure. Make sure this is all tight in there. Good. Now, on some smaller windows, that might be a tighter fit. All you gotta do is grab a little mallet, give it some little taps, you'll be good.
Luis just got done showing you how to do the track replacement at the bottom. Quick tip, make sure you have the weep holes on the track on the outside, right, Luis?
Yep, absolutely. And also just to make sure that the track is in here, make sure all you gotta do is grab a little mallet, just give it a little bit of taps right here. Now, another tip, if you're having trouble getting the screen back in, all you gotta do is, while you're putting in this track in, just align the screen with the track, and all you gotta do is just slide it on in, and you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Again, I'm Mark Disher here at Cleer Vision. We just want to take a quick second and shout out Alliance RV. We're here at their headquarters here in Elkhart, Indiana. They were gracious enough and good enough partner to us to let us come out and shoot on site on one of their units. Hopefully it's been informative, guys. Talk to you soon.